Hey everyone, Tyler with MyComputerWorks, and today I have a video that I know a lot of you need to see. If your Google account is full and you're getting those storage almost full warnings all the time, well, don't worry. I'm going to show you how to clean it up and fast. And if you'd like to have an expert take care of it for you, always remember our number is at the beginning of the video, the end of the video, and down in the description. Give us a call. And you can always find us on our website, mycomputerworks.com. Now let's jump into it. Okay, everybody, the first thing we're going to want to do is open up our browsers and go to one.google.com/storage, okay? Once you type that into your browser URL at the top, you will get to this website that I am here. You will see the UI is really nice. It not only breaks down how much space you had. So for example, I had 15 gigabytes of free storage space. Everybody gets 15 gigabytes for free. And I filled up 5.93 gigabytes of that space. They have plans. I can always upgrade that space. If you don't want to delete anything from Google Drive, Gmail, or Photos, you're looking to get more space, you can always purchase more space here. For example, this is 100 gigabytes for $1.99 a month. That's actually pretty good. That's a lot of space for $1.99. Then you get the assurance of all of your photos, Gmail, Drive, all going into that storage space. You have tons of room. You don't have to delete anything. But that's not why you're here, right? The video was about deleting items. So let me show you how. What we're going to do is click on this clean up space option right here. So we'll click on that, and you can see, in addition to the breakdown, Google also has some really nice tools for us here to make the cleanup fast, easy, and make sure that we're not deleting things we need. So we can clear our trash. We can look at emails with large attachments so we can review them and see if we actually need those attachments or if we can delete those emails. Maybe we downloaded those attachments. We don't need those in our inbox anymore. We can delete them from there. We can look at large drive files, okay? So again, Google Drive goes into this same storage pool. And that's the whole thing about Google Drive, right? That is the Google Cloud where you can store files, move them around, download them. So reviewing that, usually pretty big because that's usually a heavy hitter right next to Gmail. Those are usually two of the big ones. And then photos, a lot of photos. If you're a photo person, that's going to probably be your largest area, right? So if you take a lot of photos, they're going to be dumping in here, especially if you have an Android phone, Android tablet, you're taking photos from it, they're going to go into here. So you could review some of those large photos and videos and delete them from there. Not only that, but they have links for each option. Like if you want to go to Gmail, Drive, or Photos individually, the websites, you can click here and it will take you to each one so you can clean them up individually. All right, everyone, that's it. That is how you clean up your Google storage space, your cloud storage space. I hope this video was helpful. If it helped, drop down below, hit that like and subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you all on the next one.